guys, Dane the Man 92 here, back again with another toolboxes tour. So this is my new workbench right here. My wife got it for me as an early birthday present. So I was rearranging stuff. There used to be a giant workbench right there, but it was just taking up way too much room in my garage. So I upgraded. So I'm gonna go through each of my boxes and just show you what I got going on. So here in my OG toolbox that you guys haven't seen in a long time, I have all my 1/2-inch impact sockets right there. Those are all Pittsburgh. Then over here I have my gear wrench Torx, my gear wrench Allen keys, metric and standard. Also have some Phillips and slotted right there. Then I have some impact adapter sockets right here. Then I have I believe these are the Easy Grip sockets from Craftsman. I have an oil filter socket right there. Indexing pry bar right here. What size is this? 11/16 12-point socket right there. Another tool that I'm going to be restoring, and some extensions for an impact wrench. Although I don't have an impact wrench right now, but I plan on getting one soon. Let's go with this top drawer. Top drawer is kind of like a junk drawer. Got some acid brushes, pocket knife, bottle opener, tire pressure gauge, mirror, carpenter's pencil, Sharpie, magnet, punches. This drawer has some electrical equipment. I have a stud finder right there. I have an OBD2 scanner right there. Battery terminal cleaner, electrical tape, the heavy duty circuit tester from Harbor Freight. I don't think I've used that one yet. This drawer, nothing. Bottom drawer, I have all my pliers. I have a 12-inch Husky adjustable. I have a 10-inch Proto adjustable. Got some clamps for wood. Pair of pliers that one of my coworkers gave me. He also gave me these decks right here. I have some panel popper tools, oil filter pliers, snap ring pliers, needle nose pliers, tin snips, another clamp, a small vice grip pliers right there. These Roto Grip, really like these. These are a lot. Channel Lock brand, Channel Lock pliers. What crap was it? Needle nose vice grip pliers right there. Underneath it I got some masking paper, my bench vise, a drill press vise, and tool belt right there. Now for my bigger toolbox, I got all my sockets, all my 1/4 inch and 3/8 sockets. Those are all gear wrench, both standard metric. So I have this set of gear wrench 10mm sockets, and these what are they called, the wobble sockets, 1/4 inch. These are metric, I believe. Yeah, metric. And then I have the same in 3/8. These ones are universal sockets. Those are Sonix brand. Are they Sonix? I don't remember the exact brand, but I got those for free. I won a contest, one of the Christmas contests a few years back, and I got it. Let's see. Have my 10 and 11mm sockets, 1/4 inch snap-on. They're both 100mm long. I have these Vim stubby Torx sockets right there. Those are pretty nice, getting into tight spots. I have my Gear Wrench 120 XP super long 3/8 ratchet. I have my extra long 1/2 inch flexing Harbor Freight ratchet. Got some gear wrench screwdrivers right there. Have a 1/2 inch and 3/8 breaker bars. Let's see. I have a brand new Milwaukee screwdriver set. Did a video about them yesterday. Top drawer. Nothing in that one right now. There I have all my other ratchets and extensions. I have my 2 palm ratchets. This is a gear wrench. This one, not quite sure the brand. A coworker gave it to me. I have my Husky locking flex head 3/8 ratchet. I have a composite 3/8 ratchet. Craftsman USA 3/8 ratchet. This one is Cobalt 3/8 ratchet. Brand new Husky 1/4 inch ratchet. This one is Cobalt 1/2 inch ratchet. Craftsman USA 1/2 inch ratchet. Gear wrench 120 XP 1/2 inch ratchet. This drawer I have my gear wrench screwdriver right here. With all the bits and different lengths. I have my snap-on rotating ratcheting screwdriver. Extra long one right there. Got this the other day too. This is the Harbor Freight Warrior security bit set. I actually needed one of these ones the other day at work, but I just made one out of a screwdriver that I just cut with a die grinder. Worked in a pinch. Got some extra bits right here. Got my Matco bit set with the bit ratchet. This is the first ever item I ever bought off a tool truck. I'll always keep that. I got standard ball Allen keys, metric, and a little bit right there that you can just pop in right there. And then chucks for drill for the bits. This drawer I have all my wrenches. I have my gear wrench, standard wrenches, metric. They're both the ratcheting. I'm missing the 3/8 and 3/4 inch and 11/16. Both of those are at work. Well, one's at work, the other kind of dropped in the water at work. So that's gone. And I have my Pittsburgh supposedly ratcheting wrenches. These are garbage. Then my one Matco 9mm wrench. Got this off a pawn shop. I think I paid like $3 for it. Down below, my Milwaukee drill, my Bauer grinder. Really like that. I use that a few times. This Hyper Tough screw gun. There, it's garbage. I have a staple gun with some staples right there. Oh, up top I have some magnet cups to store shit in, safety glasses. Down below, I have a couple saws, or a few saws, cut gun, rubber mallet, and a battery load tester. Got a tape measure right there, some clamps, a level, I believe another tape measure or something maybe back there. Also got a square back there. Now my new box, have my Milwaukee charger, my busted knuckle garage mat, What I like about this is that it has a pegboard, so I have some of my hammers up there. And there's even a light built in, and there's also a power strip built in right there. This drawer I just have some of my drill bits, some more hooks for the pegboard. This one's just for cleaning stuff. I got some files, scraper, knife, razor blades, wire brushes, wire wheels, another knife or X-Acto blade. I have nothing in this toolbox yet. I will figure out what I'm going to put in there eventually. Now for over here with this storage, I have a Harbor Freight slide hammer. Boom. Haven't used that one. I have my torque sticks. I think I've only used one of these once. I have 2 sensor sockets. Not used. And I have my Maddox radiator pressure test kit. Used this one a few times. Really like it. Had no issues with it whatsoever. Some people complain that it didn't work, but I've had no issues with it. Over here I got some jack stands, a garbage can, a floor jack, a service cart, a compound miter saw, and my drill press. And over here, got all the screws that I use to take apart my workbench, some zip ties, and other stuff, welding mask, all my cleaning shit, some paint, some more cleaning stuff down there, and a bucket. So yeah, that's pretty much what I have in here. I do plan on making a workbench that can go in there and extend probably to the fender right there, just so I have some place where I can mount my vise on, put the drill press on. Because can't really mount the vise in this because this is pretty thin, and I heard that people were having issues when they put a mounted device on this. So that'll be coming soon. Plan on getting some more tools in here to fill up some of these drawers. Just trying to figure out what I need right now. Probably get some more wrenches. Definitely get an impact wrench too. But yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.